the area of the triangle would remain the same. So the base and the altitude of the triangle are respectively 12 centimeter and 20 centimeter. So remember what the problem is. Altitude equals to 5/3 of the length of the base. Then there is increase and decrease in base and altitude, and we have to prove that this is true or false. So altitude equals to 5 upon 3 of base. Okay, let base be x. So altitude is what? 5 upon 3 multiplied by x. So 5x upon 3. Okay. Next is what? Altitude is increased by 4. So 5x upon 3 plus 4. So solve this. It becomes 3 4 the 12. 5x plus 12 upon 3. Okay. Next, base is decreased by 2, but base is x. So new base is x minus 2. Okay. So original area means earlier area when altitude and base were this x and 5x by 3. So area is what? Half base into height. So original area is half into base is x into 5x by 3. And what is the new area? Why are we finding original and new area? Because in the question it's given the area of the triangle remains the same. That's why we have to find both the areas and then equate them. So new area equals to 1 upon 2 into this new base into new height into new base. So 5x plus 12 upon 3 into x minus 2. Equate them. Original equals to new. So 1 upon 2 into this becomes 5x square upon 3, and here it becomes 1 upon 2 into 5x plus 12 upon 3 into x minus 2. Okay. Now let's solve this. 5x, see this, 5x square upon, see what happens, 3 and 2, 3 to the 6, 3 to the 6. So both can be cancelled because there is a multiplication sign in between these brackets. Okay, so these 3 to the 6, 3 to the 6 can be cancelled. Remember, this can't be done if there is a plus sign between any bracket. So what remains? 5x square equals to 5x plus 12 into x minus 2, right? Only this numerator. Solve this. 5x into x minus 2 plus 12 into x minus 2, right? So it becomes 5x square minus 10x plus 12x minus 24. Okay. Now 5x square gets cancelled because they are same on the both sides, and there is a plus sign between behind them. So 0 equals to this 5x square gone minus 10x plus 12x minus 24. Solve this. So it becomes this, take minus 24 on this side, it becomes plus 24. So 12x minus 10x, that is 2x as it is, and 24 on this side. So it becomes 2x equals to 24. Solve it yourself. This needs practice. Okay. So x equals to 24 upon 2. 200 to 12. So 12, base is 12, and height or altitude is 5 upon 3 into 12. So solve this. 3 1 the 4 the and 5 4 the 20. Altitude is 20. What is given in the question? Say this, 12 and 20. So the answer is true. Next, the B and C part of true and false, we'll solve it in next video. So download Video2 app from Play Store to get his videos, test, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download Video2 app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What to get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha, plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.